Hello, welcome back to TGTV, and today we are doing a house update, a long overdue house update. I'm going to take you around what is going on the comings and goings in my new house. It's been months since I updated you guys and girls, but as always, this video is brought to you with Squarespace. From online stores to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is the perfect place to put a beautiful online presence and run your business. If you're thinking of creating a website, Squarespace is the place to go, and if you use the code below, then you will save some money when you do just that. There are loads of amazing templates that enable you to get on, create something beautiful with minimal amounts of fuss, minimal amount of effort, and it will also be super effective as well as being beautiful. You can optimize SEO on there, you can create beautiful email campaigns, you can make sure your site is mobile optimized. There are loads of amazing tools at the touch of a button are waiting for you at Squarespace. So make sure you click the link below, it'll be in the pinned comment and in the description. You'll save some money on your first website, and you will also be creating a beautiful website with the best in the business. For now, it's house tour time. Let's kick things off then at the back of the house. As usual, we're going to head through. I'm going to show you the garage as well, because there is a new addition to the garage, so come with me. Coming through then, you'll see that the lawn, for a change, is actually cut. There are no stripes in it. There are no stripes. I'm not a stripy lawn kind of guy, but you'll notice that it's looking a little less like Jurassic Park now, and that's because I've had my auto mower on the move. We're going to go and check it out in a second. This is new to the garden. We now have a vegetable patch, all very exciting. Crisps absolutely loves this. He comes and checks it every single morning when we open the doors, but we've got all sorts of bits and bobs in there. I think we've got, you know, like cabbage or lettuce or something, chives of cash, as we've all found out, like fennel and stuff. I don't know. Ianthe's ill today. She's inside ill, otherwise she'd be taking us around this. I might go and poke the camera in her face very shortly and really annoy her, but I've had my auto mower going round here. This little patch here actually has grown massively since the last time I filmed here. But we've had Husqvarna auto mower doing its thing at night. It literally just beetles round after 9 PM and just goes round and basically cuts the lawn every single night, and then it just docks itself and charges up. Don't really need to do anything at all. It just goes round every night grazing. And he's actually named it Bertie, which I don't know how I feel about that, but she's named it. She says she feels sorry for it at night, going around and doing it. But yeah, actually very, very efficient, because I'm not a lawn mowing kind of guy. I derive no pleasure from cutting the lawn, but now the lawn basically just sort of cuts itself, and it kind of just scatters the lawn behind it as well as it goes, so you don't need to clear out or anything. All looking very fancy. Right, I'm actually going to head into the garage first and foremost. Wisteria, as you can see, has gone absolutely nuts. It's pretty much climbed up the whole house, and it's completely blocked through there as well. Going to need to get a professional to sort that out. In the garage then, you'll see that we have my GT3 RS in here and my SLS. A little bit of a mess in here as usual, but the GT3 RS is in here now, and it's replaced the Lusso. So the Lusso has gone to Joe Macari, who had someone fall out of the finance actually on it that had offered on it. It was under offer, and they actually got declined on the finance. So the Lusso is actually back up for sale at Joe Macari, but the 997 is in here. And there's actually so much more space now the 997's in here. I love this car, and I do think this era of cars the best. I know I keep saying it, but 2000, well, that's a 2010, so is that. So they actually were produced within about 6 months of each other, which is nuts. Both about 13 years old. Absolutely perfect cars. I adore this car. And if you want a full video on where this car's been and all the work that's had done to it, make sure you check out one of my recent videos. But so cool to have these two together. I am going to be extending through there. So we're going to go around the front in a second. I'm going to show you my plans, but the garage is getting extended through that way and maybe out the back as well. Of course, it is sat here on its CTEK charger, as is the SLS. We will head through that way in a second, but first let's go through the house. Not really much to tell you about out here. It's a bit of a mess. We've been moving stuff off the lawn, so the lawn's been getting cut. Lots of dog toys everywhere, and Ianthe's been entertaining her parents out here, so we have moved the dining table out here. Very nice just to chill. And we will be getting, I think, some patio heaters up here as well for the winter, because we just spend so much time out here. The decking does need sorting. It's a bit of a mess, and there are a couple of issues with it here, there and everywhere, but that is going to get sorted. Anyway, coming through then, this is where I do a lot of my work, churning on here. Can't really show you much of what I've been getting up to, but at least 2 laptops always there. I do a lot of my editing, so sometimes my MacBook's there as well. This is the kitchen. Not much to tell you about the kitchen. Nothing much has changed. This is our wonderful fridge from Euronics. I'll leave the link below to them, but they are the best priced for appliances, and they're amazing. They came, delivered it, installed it, and actually put it into that very tight gap. They were unbelievable, start to finish. So that was from Euronics. Coming through there, and big change in the hallway. You'll notice that that whole kind of cabinet thing that was there before, that sort of high thing with boxes in it, that's gone through there. But now we've got this new unit. This was actually from Sunbury Antiques Market. I actually picked this up the other day. It's from a company that I'll leave the links below to that, or I'll put it on the screen if I remember. But that is a very good buy. She's very excited about this. I knew you'd be down as soon as I started talking about it. You like it, don't you?
Yeah, I love it.
You all right?
Yeah, I have a migraine.
You have a migraine. Okay. I was talking about the lovely cabinet that you bought.
Yeah, I love that cabinet.
Okay, excellent. Anyway, so that is all new for the hallway. And the hallway is looking very nice. We've got a mirror there as well.
It was a really good price.
It was a really good price. How much was it?
650.
650 quid. I don't know if that sounds good or not, but apparently that is.
We'll walk around with you, just don't show me on the camera.
Okay, you walk around. Should we get the back of your head?
Yeah.
There we go. Okay. Someone's not very happy today. We've got new light down here from a company called Brightbox. We haven't actually installed it yet. This is the installation bag of things that are coming.
We can't install it ourselves, so I've been trying to book someone, but everyone seems really busy.
Everyone's so busy.
But
Yeah,
it's beautiful.
this is the company.
Custom.
Brightbox. I'll overlay it, but it's going to be amazing.
It's custom, so I picked out all of the finishings.
Yep.
Down to even the wiring.
Okay, amazing.
So you can change the colour of the wiring, the colour of the fixtures, and you can even, I'll open it up to show you.
Okay.
You can even change the colour of the glass and the finishing.
You'll see it installed in the next video,
Yeah,
but this
you
just
will,
give you a
but I
little
want
taste
to
of
show
it.
you because I am really excited about it.
You've been going on and on and on about this.
That one's
Wow.
this colour, but the others have different finishings, which is so nice.
Amazing. You'll see it fully installed, so you got that to look forward to in the next video. Where's Connie? This is Connie's perch, and usually the dining table's in here. It's usually someplace down there.
Our hideous Titanic light.
This one?
Yeah, it just reminds me of like the Titanic. As
The Titanic, okay.
I want to replace.
Not sure it reminds me of
that. Oh, there she is.
Yeah, there she is.
I'm gonna stand behind you.
One excellent dog. Hello. Yeah, you good girl, aren't you? Fantastic. So these are getting replaced as well. There, these look like something that you would find on the bottom of the ocean floor in
I
Titanic.
hate them.
Yeah, okay. That was previously in the hallway, this thing. I'm not sure anyone cares about that. But this room is relatively unchanged in here. Relatively unchanged, not a huge amount going on. It's where we kind of sit and chill. Let's go upstairs then, because there have been changes. Not much has changed here. This is all as it was. Let's go up there then. My favourite bit about the house is this massive window here in the stairs coming through. Okay, dressing room. That is still a complete mess. Bedroom.
We had our wardrobes measured up the other day.
Yep. We have wardrobes measured up, so we're going to get some fitted wardrobes in here.
We're getting Prestige bedrooms, Tom will tag them.
Prestige bedrooms.
Prestige are doing our wardrobes, so they're going to come out from here
Yep.
all the way to about here, obviously floor to ceiling matching the walls.
Yep.
We are eventually going to have our archway put through here.
That's
so
going to
we
be
put our
smashed
bed
through.
in this room.
Juliet balcony up that side.
And then they also, because they custom make everything,
Yep.
they are following it out from this wall, so it's not just going to stick out, they're following it out from this wall
Yep.
and taking it all the way up to the end for two big double door wardrobes.
Okay, amazing. So that's Prestige bedrooms. I'll leave a link below to them, but
They're lovely.
fitted wardrobes are a complete nightmare, and you don't want people that are terrible at doing them. And they're very well priced.
In your house.
Yes, and you leave them in your house, and they add value to your house. Spare room is done. This is done since last time guys and girls saw this channel. So this is now a spare bedroom, all fully complete and done. I'm doing my best not to show anything out of the window, but yes, very happy with this room. I don't think put that together herself. I always troll her about that because not done the best job. In here then, another spare room. These wardrobes have just gone in. There's loads of detritus all over them, but These have just gone in, not fitted, not built in, literally just flat pack ones, and on this side as well. A lot of my stuff has now been hidden, and we're going to get a little bed in here as well. But I do love this room because outside you've literally just got greenery, but there's still a lot of mess. Still got lots of stuff. That is a complete mess, we're not going to show you that, and this bathroom has not changed either, it's still a bit of a wreck in here. This eventually may well be my office, but as you can see, it is still a complete wreck. I'm not showing you in there. Let's head out the front then, and I will show you what we've done in the front, because it's all changed out there as well. Outside the front then, you have my Tesla, you have the garages here, and actually, down the side here, I'm going to get rid of all of this, and all the way down the side here, don't know if you can see that. This is all wasteland between the garage wall here and over that side. Not sure how much you can really see. It's a complete wreck. This will all be smashed through and the garage will be extended out. So there's plenty of room and it's just kind of a wasteland at the moment. It's not even like nice bushes, just bramble and stuff. And you can see I've been just throwing cardboard down there. We're gonna need to get Skip and clear that out. But the garage is gonna get extended to a triple and also potentially get some stackers in, so there'll be space for sort of 4 or 5 cars. Driveway wise, don't want to show you too much outside the front, to be honest. We've now got a pedestrian gate from the guys at Charles and Ivy, and I put a little path in. So there's now a pathway through, a pedestrian pathway with some lighting there. We've got a load of plants and whatnot has gone in. He's had huge input on that, and I've had a baptism of fire realising how expensive plants are. We've got another driveway gate over there from Charles and Ivy, and we've got the Brabus out here on the driveway as well. Obviously it doesn't fit in the garage, but as you can see there is loads and loads of room out here for lots of cars, so we will be doing that. But the main thing I will be doing is smashing through here and getting all this extended and the garage done, and trying to extend that roof line. Might have a slight drop down here, but keeping all the trees and stuff and having it down here. But it's going to be quite a lot of work. The gates are there, and I'm going to sort of pull that line back the whole way over there with all the gravel and extend it out. But there we go. Other things to be done out here then. I do actually at the moment have a plug socket over here, but I will be getting a wall box charger because it's not the most efficient way of charging the Tesla. It does charge it, you get sort of 20-30% overnight, and you kind of just have a little war of attrition with the car. I have it charging off peak when I remember, but I will be getting a wall box charger, I think from CTEK potentially, put on there. I think then that is that. Thank you very much for watching. Just a little brief overview of what's been going on in the house. I promised you all an update, and that is what's been going on. So, what? Do I want to come see Crisps? Yeah, Crisps hasn't featured in the video. Where is he? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness me. He hasn't featured in the video, and that is a real shame. There he is. There's the boy. Lots of you asking where he's been. You okay, mate? Yeah, good boy. Careful of the... Good boy.
Apparently it tastes like bacon.
Yeah, bacon boy. Yeah, you good boy. You big boy. There we go, a little Crisps update as well before we end the video. Don't forget to click the Squarespace link as always. Thank you very much for all those that do that, and I will see you all very soon. Ciao.